Okay, so I want to show you proof that I'm able to generate leads. This is a campaign that I set up for my advertising company, and you can see it was on the 18th. It was actually Saturday night that I put this together, and it's already generated 6 leads. I have a $50 a day budget testing. Leads are coming in at $13.59, which is a good number because that business is a repeat sales business. So, some clients may pay as much as 1,000 a week or 2,000 a week. So it's worth it. So now that I got this ad going, what I'll do is I'll just increase the ad budget for these to get more leads and get my sales teams to call. Okay, here's another ad, and you can see here the average cost is 409 per lead. It says for the last 20 days, we've generated 237 leads for this particular ad campaign, and we've only spent $970.01. Okay, for this campaign, we've generated 158 leads at 306 per lead. Only had to spend for $184.13. You can see here the lead volume, how it kind of fluctuates. I call this like stock market. So you can see here, this is a very good rate for the cost that we're paying per lead for this particular product that we're offering. Okay, this is a new TikTok ad. I started this one on the 14th. So you can see that it's 75 leads, $2.46. The total cost up to now was $184.46. So you can see that this one is doing really well. Okay, here's a Facebook ad for another business that I own. I had started this one on February 6th. It's a video ad, but it's for lead generation. 36 leads, $8.23 per lead. This is the total amount that I've spent. Again, this service here for just getting one client could be worth upwards of 25 to $30,000. So you can see that totally justifies the lead amount. I would even be willing to pay more per lead. Okay, here's another campaign. I started this one on February 1st. We have 38 leads. I'm still working on getting this down, but even with the service that we offer for this particular company, this is a good rate because the starting product for this service is $114 or $175 for this particular offer that we have with this one. With this offer, started this one on the 1st. You can see it didn't get any leads until on the 4th. It's gotten 14 leads. What I'm going to do is work on making this ad better. And we can see here $26.82 per lead. But for the service that's provided with this one here, the lowest cost that we have is $3.99, and the highest cost, I mean, there's no higher, I mean, it could go as high as the client needs it because this is for actual website design service.